What does it mean to be a leader? Is it to take someone by the hand to help them do better? To be better? Being a leader isn't just about being first. It's about being the first to serve, the first to help, the first to inspire. So when you talk about being a leader, don't just lead your class. Lead your school. Don't just lead your team. Lead your sport. Don't just lead your company. Lead a movement. To lead is to lift up, to guide, to encourage. To lead is to
direct and also seek out different viewpoints.
Encourage one another to be their best self.
Set an example and be willing to bring people together.
Take small steps to grow towards a positive future.
To lead is Nebraska. So instead of asking yourself what kind of leader you're going to be today, ask yourself, whose life are you going to make better today, and tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that?